Look at that flow rate.
Well,
Running perfectly smooth.
Honey passes through a coarse filtration system. Small particles are removed. The liquid flows through stainless steel pipes.
As you can see, the spectral data confirms the honey's purity.
Very thorough. I'm satisfied with the quality assurance.
The moisture levels are exactly within the required range. Purity is confirmed across all markers.
Agreed. The batch passes inspection.
Proved honey moves to heating and blending equipment. Temperature controls are monitored. Honey remains smooth and consistent.
everything looks good down the line. Yes, the sealing station is running perfectly.
This batch looks excellent.
Yes, sir.
Verified. No defects found.
Stack it tight on the left.
Is this shipment going to Dallas?
Yes, load it first.